my gorgeous little love bugs. So happy to see you today. Happy Monday. I hope you had a fabulous weekend and a wonderful Easter. And if you don't celebrate Easter, I hope you just had a nice Sunday. So anyway, what we're doing here is the set that I tried to get ready for you guys for Friday, and it didn't work out. I couldn't make it happen, you guys. Try as hard as I could. I couldn't make it happen. There's no easy way to say I'm struggling a little right now, and I'm working very hard to pull through that. But I also got my COVID vaccine last week, and that threw me for a little bit of a loop. So between that and I'm just struggling with no sleep and COVID, everything. I couldn't make it happen, and I really do apologize. So what I'm doing now on this thumb is showing you where I was trying to go with this set, and after struggling to try to make it work, I couldn't really get the image in my mind to show up on my nails. So I ended up changing things up, but I want to show you where I started this process so that you can see how I adapted and just, ended up making a pretty cute set. It's not what I intended, no. But sometimes you start a process and you just, in midstream, you have to switch it up a little, and that's being resilient. And so I'm really showing my resiliency in this set. I don't want to give myself a hard time because we all struggle, right? We all struggle with things we do all the time. Like maybe you're a really great cook, but one day you just wake up and everything you cook tastes like poop, right? And you're just like, why is this so poopy? And maybe you do nails, and you do a lot of nails, and they usually come out pretty cute, but for some reason today your nails are poopy. So I was having a couple poopy days. And so I just turned it around and got it mostly where I was happy with it. There is actually going to be a small part in here where there's no voiceover. It's because I'm actually talking to you as I record it. So there you go. So now I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And then we're going to come in and I'm going to clean it up and do a little bit of pre-filing just because it makes it a little easier at the end, right? It's not a very thick tip though. So you really want to, if you're going to be putting any kind of pressure at all, you want to support it like I'm doing with my finger there, just to help keep it. And I know I'm moving very fast, but that's double time, okay? I'm not moving that fast. And I'm not being aggressive at all. It probably looks like I am, but I'm really not. I'm going very gently. That is a file from Walmart. Don't buy them. It got me through a set, but I don't love it. I don't love it. So now that it's filed, I thought I was going to use those little pots of stuff, but I changed my mind. I put on some base coat, and now I'm just coming in and putting some transfer foil, but I don't like how it's looking. It's not laying down enough, as you can see. So I'm going to go over it again with a little more base coat and cure for 30 seconds, okay? And then we're going to come in again with a different one that has more intense coloring, which is why the next step didn't work out. I should have stayed lower like it is now instead of going up higher. And I should have stayed with the lighter color, and what I was trying to do probably would have worked. But you're going to see in a minute what I'm talking about. You're going to see. Still optimistic right here, but no, it's not going to work out. So now I'm just giving myself a nice full base coat just to make sure that I protect that transfer foil. And again, cure for 30 seconds. And now I'm coming in with my Vrenmal. And I'm going to grab the light purple. And that is what I'm going to use to try to make a fade. And I do say try to make a fade because the color on this is got the tiniest bit of transparency. It's not fully transparent. I am using this little spatula to push the product up. That's just a really easy way. If it's down at the tip and you at the base of the thing, the tube, and you can't get it, use something to squeegee it up there. And I've got a little too much, so I'm going to go ahead and pull some off. Oh, do you hear the baby next door crying? I don't know if you can hear him. He's a very good baby. He rarely cries, but he was just giving his parents some noise. And oops, that was a little oops right there. So now I'm just going to try to fade it down, but as you can see, it's just too much, right? There's the coloring. There we go. Little oopsie, oops. So it's too much. It's not a fade. That line is too pronounced. And it's just from here, I'm not even going to continue to show you anything else because I do try to do this on a couple of other nails. It just doesn't work out, you guys. I end up filing it all off. Now, I don't file this one off, though. I actually just come in and put, you'll see what I do in just a second. Now, after this is done, what I'm going to do is go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. So, hey guys, while I was doing this set, which things are changing on the set, and we'll get to that in a minute, but while I was doing this set, my order from Amazon came, and I had a couple things in there. First one was these cool little Macute, wow, words, where are they? Don't know where my words are. The files. And they are 100, 180. Let me tell you guys, these are very, the 100 is so, wow, these are good. These are very, very good files. If you've not tried them, if you've been on the fence about them, jump off that fence, give them a try. They are so strong, you're gonna wanna be careful. I gave myself a little boo-boo, so watch yourself. I also ordered, because you know, if you're going to order from Amazon and there's something small on your wish list, you should grab it, right? And so that's what I did. I needed these, right? And I needed a couple other things. I bought some new bras, but I also bought these. Do you see that little bug? He's very attracted to the lights. And my door is open, so he made his way in. But anyway, I got these little, oh my goodness, he just bombed my face. He just dive bombed my face. So anyway, I got these little water decals, or decals, if you're from Canada, or stickers. They actually say stickers, nail art stickers. But I wanted to just show them to you guys real quick. And actually, I thought I might use some on this set, which is not quite done. We're in the middle here, okay? We're in the middle, but there's all kinds of stuff in here, guys. We've got some bugs and butterflies and colorful things, okay? Lots of plants and whatnot. And then a lot of black and white stuff, like a ton. I'm gonna say like more than half of it is black and white stuff, but real pretty, right? Like, look at that one. That's gorgeous. So, I just wanted to share that with you guys real quick before we finish the rest of the nails. And as I go, I'm going to explain to you what happened and why I changed things up a little bit. Still not super happy, but they're my last long set before I move. So we're just going to finish them out. They're going to come off in a few days anyway because I have a lot of work to do. And before I stop talking and go back to voiceover, I just wanted to show you, this is one of the ones. What the? Oh, I think that was my washing machine. Oh my goodness, it made a crazy noise. Anyway, I thought this would be cute, that it would match a little bit with these, and that we would put like maybe some of the small ones a couple places. So let's go ahead and jump back into that. Okay, guys, voiceover Gigi is back, and I've got all the nails completed. That middle finger has still got me upset. This is the third time I built that nail. I cannot get it correct. No matter how hard I try, I couldn't get the shaping right. It's still not right. So after that base coat, I cured for 30 seconds, and I'm coming in, and I'm just going to add the transfer foil all over these two nails. 100% completely. Just cover them all the way up. And I am going to come back in with some more base coat in a couple of strategic spots and hit it where there was some stuff missing. And like I was saying, this is actually going to be my last set of really long nails for a minute, because I need to cut them down so I can get all the cleaning and packing and moving done. And then even once I get to Vegas, here I am putting on a little bit of base coat in a couple of spots, just a couple. But even when I get to Vegas, like my grandson, the youngest grandson, he is like 4 months old. So I'm not trying to have really long nails right away. When he gets a little bit older, and he's not so floppy, then that'll be different, right? But for right now, I'm going to probably keep them a little shorter and almond shape, just so they're nice and blunt. We don't want to be hurting that delicate little baby skin. And I do have a 2-year-old granddaughter as well, and she's still, I just want to be safe for a little bit while I'm getting used to carrying babies again, right? So when we finish all of this up, we're going to go ahead and go in with a little more base coat, because I'm having a hard time. Nothing wants to stick there. So then we're going to cure it for 30 seconds, hit those last couple of little spots. Here we go in for that cure. Then hit those last few spots. Now, I had shown you that I was going to use that little blue butterfly one. I changed my mind on that because the background is actually white. It's not just white from the card. So I'm using this one instead, which is really pretty. It's got those little sun and moon symbols, and then that little, I can't really tell if it's a feather or a plant, but it looks a little bit like both, and they are water decals. And now on this, I'm using, to just pull it off that backing real easy, I used my stamper, and it worked really good on this one as well to get it off of the paper, but it wouldn't stamp on my nail the same way the other one did. You're going to see it right now. It really was giving me a headache. Here you go. It's coming right off. And that is really an easy way to get it off if you struggle with that at all. And nope. Nope. No, no, nope. Nope, nope. No, 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 nope. Nope. Nope, nope. So then I think, oh, well, I'll just take it off and then it'll go on. No, it won't. It won't. So I just put a little base coat down. And actually, I think that might be top coat. I could be wrong about that. That could be top coat. And I just set it in there, moved it to where I wanted it to be. Be very gentle, as that top or base coat, whatever one it is, it will actually like mess up your little sticker if you're not careful. And when you top coat these, guys, you cannot let the brush touch that. You need to have a nice little ball of your top coat or base coat, whichever one you're covering it with first. Touch that and then float it over the top. And that's why I'm pulling some off the bottom, because it was nice and juicy. A 60-second cure, and then we are coming in again with another top coat. And you can see I'm just being super gentle on top of that. No pressure at all, because it will rip that right away. And you will be like so bummed out that you put this beautiful sticker on and it just ripped away. So please don't forget the floating technique. It really matters. Curing again for 60 seconds. And this is the finished set, guys. I really hope you like it. I'm still a little on the fence, but I love the shininess of it. I love the colors, and I love those stickers. So for a last long set for a while, I'm going to be pretty happy. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.